Channel Islands National Park. 5 islands just off the central California coast, the Channel Islands are almost like California's Galapagos. Each has a different look, some of them have unique endemic plants and animals, and they're practically unspoiled. To see them, take a boat tour from Ventura Harbor. Death Valley National Park. Death Valley's landscape is stark and dramatic. You'll find towering sand dunes and rocks that slide across the desert floor unseen. At Badwater, you'll stand at the lowest point in all of North America. And at night, the starry skies are almost overwhelming. Joshua Tree National Park. The trees at Joshua Tree aren't trees at all, but a type of yucca plant, but that doesn't keep them from being fascinating. The landscape they grow in includes giant boulders and panoramic overlooks, and you can even drive right up to the San Andreas Fault. Joshua Tree is near Palm Springs. Lawson Volcanic National Park. Mount Lawson is an active volcano, which last erupted in 1915. In the recovering landscape, you'll find steaming fumaroles, waterfalls, boiling mud pots, and developing forests. Lawson is in Northern California, east of the town of Redding and not far from the Oregon border. Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Park. People make a big fuss over Yosemite, but Sequoia and its twin park Kings Canyon have features just as beautiful. In fact, John Muir once wrote, "In the vast Sierra wilderness far to the southward of the famous Yosemite Valley, there is a yet grander valley of the same kind." He was talking about Kings Canyon, a glacier-carved gorge that you can drive right down into. Yosemite National Park. Everyone has heard about Yosemite, and the mere mention of its name can evoke sighs of admiration. Enough said.